Telling time to the half hour. In this video, you will learn how to tell time on an analog and a digital clock to the half hour. In the previous lesson, we learned to tell time to the hour. What time does this clock show? It shows 12 o'clock. The shorthand or hour hand is pointing to the 12, and the long hand or minute hand is also pointing to the 12. When the minute hand moves all the way around the clock, it has been 60 minutes or 1 hour. When 1 hour passes, what time will it be? After 60 minutes pass or 1 hour, it will be 1 o'clock. The shorthand or the hour hand is pointing to the 1, and the long hand or the minute hand is still pointing to the 12. So which hand moved on the clock? You can see that the short or hour hand has moved from the 12 over to the 1, and it now shows 1 o'clock. How would this look on a digital clock? 3 o'clock looks like this on a digital clock. The number 3, a colon, and 2 zeros. The 2 zeros tell you there are no minutes past the hour of 3. If we were halfway through the next hour, the hour hand would need to be halfway between the 3 and what number? It would be halfway between the 3 and the 4. Your minute hand would also be halfway around the circle to the 6. So think about that minute hand for just a minute. It would go halfway around the circle. Think about our half circles. Where would it need to stop for the minute hand so that it would have traveled across the shape of half of the circle? It would need to stop on the number 6. 6 is halfway around the clock. Let's see how many minutes are in this half of the hour. We can count each minute using the little marks in between the numbers. But it'll be faster to count by groups of 5 minutes like we do when we count by fives. There are 5 minutes from one number to the next number. Let's start at 12 and count by fives until we get to the 6. Ready? So my first number right here is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this clock shows 3:30. Another way to say 3:30 is half past 3. 3:30 is 3 hours and 30 minutes since 12 o'clock, when we either started a new day or when we started the afternoon. Here you can see the short hour hand is halfway between the 3 and the 4, and that the long minute hand is on the 6. So this clock shows 3:30. It is half past 3. On a digital clock, half past 3 or 3:30 would look like this. You would have your number 3, your colon, and then 30. That lets you know there are 30 minutes past the hour of 3 o'clock. What time is it on this clock? It is 5:30 or half past 5. The shorthand or hour hand is halfway between the 5 and the 6. The long hand or the minute hand is pointing to the 6. Look at our two clocks. One clock shows 3 o'clock. The other clock shows half past 3 or 3:30. Compare them. What do you notice about these two clocks? The clock on 3 o'clock has its minute hand on the 12. The clock that has 3:30 has its minute hand on the 6. The hour hand is pointing directly to the 3 on the clock that shows 3 o'clock. And here on this clock, our hour hand is halfway between the 3 and the 4 that shows 3:30. What time is it on this clock? It is 12:30 or half past 12. The shorthand or hour hand is halfway between the 12 and the 1. The long hand or the minute hand is pointing to the 6. What time is it on this clock? This clock shows 8:30 or half past 8. The short hour hand is halfway between 8 and 9. And the long minute hand is pointing to the 6. So it is 8:30 or half past 8. What time is it on this clock? This clock shows 10:30 or half past 10. The short hour hand is halfway between the 10 and the 11, and the long minute hand is pointing to the 6. In this video, we learned to tell time to the half hour. When we are telling time to the half hour, the shorthand or the hour hand is going to be between two numbers. On this clock, it is 5:30. So, the shorthand is halfway between the 5 and the 6. The long hand or the minute hand is going to be pointing to the 6. We also learned in this video that there are 5 minutes from one number to the next number.